Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You open the Measure app and grant camera access. This lets the iPhone read distances accurately. Point the camera at the target surface and move slowly to let the app detect planes. Once done, tap the white dot to set the start point. You'll see a small circle appear. Make sure to calibrate with a figure-8 motion and keep the device steady. This reduces jitter and improves measurement precision before you place the endpoint. You tap once to set the start and then smoothly move the phone until the endpoint lines up. Tapping again locks the measurement. If the line looks off, move closer or pinch to zoom the view to refine placement. This improves accuracy because the software uses more pixels for calculations. Once you have a segment, tap the plus sign to add another and drag any pin to nudge a point. This lets you measure irregular shapes by combining straight segments. You take a photo to save the measurement or tap the readout to copy the value. This preserves results for later. For more reliable checks, switch to ruler or level mode in the app. These offer alternate measurement approaches for small objects or straight edges. If measurements jump or pins drift, make sure the lens is clean, relaunch the app, and toggle AR permissions. Doing so forces a fresh calibration and usually resolves tracking glitches, so your next measurement is stable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.